Hi everybody, today I'm going to go through a step-by-step tutorial of grouping data in Minitab to create a frequency distribution. Let's take a look at our problem. The following data represents the age of 30 lottery winners. We want to complete the frequency distribution for the data. To start, we are going to copy all of the data, right-click to copy, and then in Minitab, I'm going to right-click and paste. The very first thing we need to do is to combine all of this data into a single column. To do that, I'll hit Data, I'll click on Stack, and then Columns. I want to stack all 6 of the columns, so I'm just going to click them to put them in the Stack Column box. I want the results to be in a new worksheet. I select OK. And now we have our combined column. We could name it, let's call it Age. Now let's talk about our bins. We were given the groups we're supposed to use, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, all the way up to 80 to 89. Back in Minitab, I'll again select data, but now I'm going to go down to recode. I'm going to recode to text, and I'll start by selecting age as what I want to recode. Next, we'll go to method. For the method, I want to recode ranges of values. So on the lower end and upper end, I'll put in 20 to 29, and then I need to say what I want that recoded value to look like. So I want it to look like the category 20 to 29. Then I'll continue this 30 to 39, and I'll say I want that called 30 to 39, and I'm going to keep doing this all the way down until I get to 80 to 89. On the endpoints to include, I want to switch from lower endpoint only to both endpoints. Then I need to decide where I want to put my new information. I'm going to say again in a new worksheet. Now that we have our recoded data, we're ready to come up with our tally. This time we're going to go to Stat, down to Tables, and then we say Tally Individual Variables. We only need the counts, so I'm going to double click the recoded age and say OK. This gives us our distribution of ages that we can take and put over into the homework.